So in this set of three problems, what we want to do here is write the equation of the line that has these characteristics. So it has slope -4 and y-intercept -3. So what do we have? Well, we have the slope and the intercept. So let's start here with the slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And, what I'm seeing is this. Y equals something x plus something. It's just a template, right? This thing here is just like a template. What do you have to do? You have to fill in m and you have to fill in b. Now, we just happen to be given those values, right? This is, after all, problem number 1. So what we're going to write here is y equals m, -4x, plus, now you could write this as -3, but, you can simplify that to y equals -4x minus 3. We are given the slope and the intercept, so we're going to start here by writing the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, and we just happen to have the slope and the intercept. So let's fill those in. So we'll get y equals -2/3 x plus 0, but we don't need to write the 0. So how about just y equals -2/3 x? In problem 5, we're given the slope and the intercept, so we'll start by writing the template for it. Y equals mx plus b. I find it always useful to start by writing the actual general form and then filling in the numbers, right? So now we're given m right there and b right there. So we're going to write this equation as y equals m, which is -2/3, and then the x plus b, which is 1/4. Let's just carry this one a little bit further. What do we know here? This might be a little hard to draw here, but if we were to graph this, where would this cross the y-axis? Well, it crosses at 1/4. So, I'll just put a point maybe at like what I think is 1/4. Say that's 1/4. And now what about another point? We just need one more point to graph this line. So what about the other point? Well, I can use the slope to get it, because the bottom number, the denominator, is the horizontal change. That's +3. I'll go out 3 this way, and then the top number is the vertical change, so I'll go down 2. So if I was going to graph this, I would go, all right, 1, 2, 3 this way, and 2 down, and put a point. So, maybe it's like, well, maybe it's like more like this. Okay, well, what I'm doing is I'm going 3 in this direction, and then because of the negative, I'm going 2 down. And then I draw a line through those 2 points.